Good day everyone, I am Solinas from Group 1 ITC, and today I will present our Java project entitled Banking Transaction System. This program was created to simulate basic banking operations such as login, deposit, withdrawal, and balance checking. It also includes account validation, login attempts, and daily withdrawal limits for added security. At the beginning of the code, we input or we imported the scanner subject or the scanner class to allow user input from the keyboard. Next, we declare our main method, which serve as the starting point of the program. Inside the main method, which is this, we created 3 account tiers, which is the basic, premium, and VIP. And each of these account tiers have their own account number, account PIN, balance, daily withdrawal limit, and login attempt counter. For the basic account tier, we have account number of 123 with the variable name of account 1, then PIN of 111 with the variable name of PIN 1, integer, then account balance of 10,000 with the name or the variable name of account balance 1, then and the total withdrawal today is 0, then the daily limit or the daily withdrawal limit is 25,000, which is to have the variable name of daily limit 1. Then the attempts. Then in the premium account tier, we have the account number of 456, then PIN of 222, then the account balance of 20,000, then total withdrawal today the total withdraw today is 0, then the daily limit of 50,000. Then in the VIP account tier, we have 789 account number, then the PIN of 333, then have a balance of 50,000, and there is no daily limit. These variables, which is this from this point up to this, these variables allow the program to track different accounts' behaviors separately. We also declare counters for login, which is this, login attempts, and total failed attempts, which helps the system know when to stop if the user fails to log in multiple times. After declaring the variables, we use the do-while loop to keep the program running until the user decides to stop or until the maximum number of attempts is reached. Each user have 3 attempts to log in. If the user is lumagpas ng 3 attempts, the program should close. Inside the do-while loop, the program first asks the user to enter their account number and to enter their PIN. If the entered details are correct, the program grants access, which means the program is magpapatuloy siya into the basic account, premium account, or in the VIP account, whether or kung ano man yung in-enter na account number ni user. Then, if not, or the details, if the details are not correct, it increases the attempt counters and locks the account after 3 failed attempts. So, which means that if na-increase yung attempts hanggang mag-equal siya ng 3, magla-lock yung account na yon. This logic ensures that the system remains secure and prevent unauthorized access. For each account tier, which is the basic, premium account tier, and the VIP account tier, the structure is almost the same, except for the VIP. That has no withdrawal limit. In the basic account tier, we have our 25K daily withdrawal limit, and in the premium account tier, we have our 50,000 daily withdrawal limit. And for the VIP, have no withdrawal limit or have no daily withdrawal limit. For the next part of our program code, we have Banania. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Good day, and I'm Kim Justin Banania, and I'll be explaining the rest of the code. Once the user successfully logs in, we will use the for loop for the main transaction to be able a multiple transaction. The program or the system display the three transaction option. One is deposit, two is withdraw, and three is check balance. And we will use the switch statement to be able to choose the three transaction. Once the user chooses deposit, the system will ask to enter the amount we want. And after that, we will use while loop to validate the amount. Meaning that if the user enter the amount, enter the 0 or less than 0, it will show an error message and it will ask again to enter the amount they want to deposit. And if they enter the correct amount, then the amount they want to deposit will add to the account balance. And after that, will show the update balance. When the user selects withdraw, then the system will ask to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then, we also use while loop to check if the entered amount is valid, just like in the deposit, meaning it should be greater than 0. It will be greater than 0. Then if the user finally entered the correct amount, then it subtracts it to the current balance. This. Then the program will check if the amount exceeds the account balance or the daily withdrawal limit. If it does, an error message will show not enough balance or you have reached your daily withdrawal limit. If not, the amount is deducted from the balance. Then, the updated balance is displayed. For check balance, it simply shows an account year, then the current balance of the account year. To limit transaction per session, we will use for loop that allows only up to 3 transactions per login, which is this, and we'll use if statement. After each transaction, the user is asked if they want to continue. They want to continue or stop. If the user chooses no or completes 3 transactions, the program will automatically log them out of their account. Finally, the program will ask if the user wants to log into another account. If they answer yes, the program will ask again the account number and PIN. If the answer is no, then the program will close.
Good day, everyone. I am Solinas for the summary or the closing part. In conclusion, our banking transaction system applies the core concepts of Java programming, including the loops, like for loops, nested loops, do-while loop, and while loop. Conditional statements like if-else, if, nested if, switch case, and etc. And user input validation, like the scanner. Through this project, we learn how to structure a program effectively, handle user inputs properly, and implement logical conditions for real-life situations, like this, our program, which is online banking. This project demonstrates how programming can be used to create secure, functional, and user-friendly systems. Thank you! And that concludes our presentation.